In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a watermark or a logo in DaVinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. The first thing that you can do is use their text option. So first, click on Effects and click on Titles under the toolbox, and you can choose any type of text that you would like. I'm going to click on middle lower third and drag it onto my timeline. You're going to make sure that it is the same length as your video, and then clicking on the text on your timeline, go to the top right corner and click on Inspector, and you can change the actual writing that is there. You can't see it right now, but as you can see, it is red now, and I can then change this one as well. And there's a lot of different options that you can play around with on the actual titles and text. So I can just do watermark, and as you can see, it's right there, and I can remove or keep any of them. If you want to change the opacity of your watermark, you can actually scroll and find the option that says composite. This should be on the settings. And just put down or up your opacity. As you can see, it gets lower. Now, if you want to actually import a photo for your watermark, you're just going to click on File, Import, and then Media. From there, you can find whatever picture that you want to bring in. For example, if I want to click this YouTube logo, I can open it and then drag it from here onto my timeline. From there, I can make it however I would like by going into that inspector, and I can change the zoom and the position of it. So let's say I want to make it 0.5, I can do that. And I can also change the position as well to make it move over. And same thing with the opacity, just go to composite and change the opacity right here. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.